Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to customize widgets in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to open your widgets. So here you can see different type of widgets. If you want to customize any of them, then click on three dots. Here you can see customize widgets. Click on it. Now you can see here edit location. If you want to edit your location, then select your option. If you want to pin these widgets, then click on three dots and click on pin widgets. Or you can also customize this widget size. You can make it small, medium or large. I want to make it small. So this is how you can customize your widgets. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.